Are you ready for this, Manny? Where are we going? The pumpkin patch and the corn maze. Pumpkin patch, corn maze, farm games, apple cider donuts.
I'm doing the, I don't know if this is called the chicken or the eagle. I've been up since 4 o'clock.
Yeah.
Y'all, we know we cool.
I did some kind of bird call, I think.
What does the new old-fashioned way mean, y'all?
That means bringing back the old-fashioned way and pretending like it's new.
That's what we're doing right now. That's the reason we're the old, new, cool. We are the old, new. Do it, baby.
Manly can do a bird call. Do it, Manny. We're going to see if they have coffee first. They're going on to the slide.
We're going to the eater.
Right. Apple cider float, pumpkin spice milkshake, or a salted caramel pecan milkshake. Apple crisp and ice cream. You know you're in the South when the little, what could be like a candy dish or something, little pumpkin right there.
Got Duke's mayonnaise
It's Duke's
in it.
mayonnaise.
Like they have some Reese cups in that thing or something.
Or like ketchup and mustard, you know, because they have corn,
Duke's
I think
mayonnaise,
hot dogs
buddy.
and stuff.
They got mini corn dogs.
Yeah. What comes on there? An apple cider donut?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Great.
You like it?
Yeah,
How you like it, Sissy?
it's good.
Go do barnyard basketball.
That's new. I don't think they've had this before. Woo!
Still smoker.
Is that fun? Oh, there comes Daddy.
Now what about back?
There used to be an apple tree.
Yeah, they moved the apple cannon up to the where the pumpkins are.
Today, look how many I've made.
I see that.
Launch your frog into the crate.
What frogs?
They're probably in the crates.
Yeah, this got in.
No frogs. Oh, there's a frog, Sissy. There's one, Manny. Oh!
Hit it, Speedy.
Oh, almost. Getting on the hayride to go to the pumpkin patch.
So y'all can pick from wherever, and the price of the pumpkins will just vary based off the size or the type that you pick. Once you find the ones you'd like to buy, you'll take them to the window of the snack shack and you'll pay there. If you're here for the apple cannons or paintball, you're gonna go through the patch down to the right, and everybody gets 3 shots per wristband at the apple cannon. Y'all enjoy.
You want to get on the pumpkin train first?
You want to do the pumpkin train, Manny?
He wants to ride that, Mama.
Where do you go right here?
Yeah.
Have you ever been on this?
Have you, Tyler? I don't think Tyler's been on this.
No, I did that year, just went around that corner.
Yeah, okay.
Ready?
It's the biggest day of my life.
Oh, yes.
Put your hands up.
Woo! The funometer's on 110. We're doing the apple cannon. Okay, Daddy's got 3. 1, 2, 3.
Come right here. So,
Oh,
There you go.
yours are in your hat, Jonah.
There you go.
I picked this one.
You pick that one?
I can grab it.
Yeah, grab it.
Okay, Daddy might have to.
This looks like a good one, Manny. Oh, there's a perfect one right there. Look at that one.
Let me see.
Make sure to stand up. I believe it will.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Will.
You did a good job on that one, buddy.
Sissy's got a good one. Ty's picking one over there.
Alright, Celia, Mama.
You gonna race me in? Okay.
Okay.
Let's wait for Daddy.
Power rates are literally sport train, so I think I'll go fast.
Think so?
Uh-huh.
Well, I should have gotten me a sports drink. Man, I'm gonna be going slow in here.
Yeah, and I will be going fast.
He's
gonna
wanting to
race
race you, yeah. Now he
Did
doesn't
he
have
get
this
up at
sports
4?
drink. I don't know, but he's
Did
had
he
this.
get up at 4 a.m.?
No.
But he had this.
This one's the wrong way. That way's the right way.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
We follow this guy.
I ain't scared up here.
You ain't. Gonna be a cool night, I imagine. We found Tyler.
Yeah.
Feel like it's home alone with a Coca-Cola.
I smelled that we're all close there.
You do?
He smelled it.
Okay.
Oh, I smell him going this way.
I know that's what's the right way.
It's like a little pose every sip. We did it.
I looked at the picture before we came in this year. We did go through one spot, 2 spots.
Now we're waiting on Tyler and Sissy and Jonah to come out. So Manly's doing the little kid corn maze. Now we'll run into the market real quick because of course, if you come to J Moore, you got to get what, Manny?
Apple cider donut. There you go.
Sorghum. We'll be going to the Sorghum Festival this weekend.
There you go.
Pecan praline, caramel flavored cheese balls.
That's spicy pickled garlic. Christmas jam here. Old-fashioned apple butter. They got a lot of different things here. Sweet potato butter. That'd probably be good.
Can you put this hot sauce in the buggy?
Okay.
Here you go, Manny. Put them in the buggy.
They also have pumpkin scotch.
The next morning, we're about to make some cinnamon pumpkin French toast roll-ups. We've got this Thomas cinnamon swirl bread. I've tried to order like 3 or 4 times now the Pepperidge Farms pumpkin spice swirl bread. Y'all know it's my favorite. That stuff is great to make French toast with, but they never have it in stock. So they substituted this Thomas cinnamon swirl. We're gonna use this to make some little pumpkin roll-ups. So we're gonna take the bread first and flatten them out. Just use regular bread for this too. If you don't have any cinnamon swirl bread, regular bread works fine. Now if you have the pumpkin spice, if you're wanting to do pumpkin ones, if you have the pumpkin spice swirl bread already, you probably wouldn't even need to do this pumpkin part that we're gonna do, because it has like these little pockets of pumpkin wonderfulness in it. Titus is already gone this morning. I'm a little bit later than his early morning breakfast today. We got down into the 30s last night, y'all. So here's what we're gonna do. In this little bowl, we're just gonna put some cinnamon and sugar. Just stir that around a little bit. I'm gonna put just a little bit of nutmeg. I'm not really measuring this, I'm just kind of eyeballing it, but we're just making like a little pumpkin spread to spread onto the roll-ups here. If you have pumpkin pie filling, you can just use that and you wouldn't have to add anything to it. Add the pumpkin in here. I'm going to put just a drop of vanilla. In this bowl we're putting 2 eggs, a little bit of milk. I think I hear Mr. Man coming. Okay. You just relax. Alright, we're going to grab a pan and I'm going to start melting some butter over here. We'll let that melt, so we're just going to take our flattened piece of bread and spread on just a little bit of the pumpkin mixture. You don't need a lot because it'll start oozing out if you put too much. And then I'm trying to decide which way we want to roll up. I think we'll go the long way. We're just going to roll it up like that. And then we're going to dip it in the egg mixture, but I'm going to let our butter warm up here a little bit more before we do that. We'll go ahead and do another one. Just roll it one time, put it in the pan. When they get nice and brown on that one side, we'll just flip them over. What do you think? Really good. Make those. They're great, y'all. I'm telling you. You just found your weekend breakfast right there. Yes, you did.
Maybe everyday breakfast.
They're great.